Hello everybody, this is Leah and we're going to build all of my Lego. That's for this Lego, that's all. We're just going to open it right now and some fun. My dad just opened it for a little while. I got some bits of Lego. I got like lots of Legos and stuff like that. And still letting everything out. We can do the scissors and stuff like that. And I got another piece of Lego. So I'll put this back now. And let's open it with the scissors. Open number one. Where's number one? I'm looking for number one. Number three, number two, number one. So this is number one. If you have some Lego, look for the numbers first. You find number one by number two. Number one. And then number two. 2, 3. And then all the way to 8. Like all the way up to 8. Or 9. Or 10. Or 11. Or like which number they make it up to. First we're going to get up to number one. So which one could I pick? Look for the numbers again. I don't know which number it is. I don't know which number. Stickers.
Instruction.
I'll do which one. This one or that one? Pick which one.
Check. Just move.
This one.
Move. Yeah. And check.
So now we're going to do the truck because it's really long.
Here's the number.
Let's put it just there, right there. That one goes right there. Now let's open number one pack and see how many things there is. Cutting. I can't really.
Yeah.
Like that, and I cut it. I'm cutting. Look. Sometimes people want to make some videos cutting, because I learned it from a real person. I'm not going to be telling his name. He was 9 years old. Look how many packs I got. One more thing. So weird. Just putting that over down there. And one thing is just going to happen right. Just going to right. Looking at all the packs. Ah, so funny. Yeah. Oh. And wait a bit. I'm just going to clean it up at the end of the video. So which part do we need first? So this one says, build this. Build the person first and then you build all the trucks of the part. That's how we make it. So, okay, part one. Okay, come on, let's make the person. So this is how you make all the person. So I got her hair. Then we have to get the face. So where's the face? We have to look for the face. Face. Then you know what you have to do? You just stick it on her tummy. Then her hair. On her hair. Stick it on her head. Then you put the feet. Where's the feet? I'm looking for the feet, everybody. We're going to find the feet. Come on, let's find the feet. I want to find the feet. Where's the feet? There it is. Putting in there and then there. There we go. Okay. That's gonna put it right there. Then we'll have to put, then we'll have one of these. This one. Then we're going to add one red bean. Like this one. Then we put it right over here. Wait, let me stick it on. Then we have one of this, and then 2 red bits. This one is first, and then you put 2 of these. Let me try one more finger. I'm going to stick it on, and after there is black one. This one is a black one. You do not see. There we go. This is where we're starting. We're just doing this now. We're up to this part, remember? Then this one is on the other at the bottom. That one goes over. What's that one? So that one goes. I can't really find the piece. It's hiding somewhere. I don't know where it is. This piece. Let me see. This piece. Just stick it on. I'll stick it on. Okay. And we're up to the next pieces. We're not going to use this for a while. And then we're just going to add. Then we're having a box. Then what's that thing? That thing is a stretching stuff, so you can fix stuff, but we're trying to find it right now. Found one, then put that one, like this one goes, wait, let's do something, then put that one there, then you put this one right over here. You can do whatever you want in this one anyway. You can put them wherever one. You can put them wherever you want because there's nothing you could do with that one. Now we're gonna add this one to the other side. The other side one is like I can't really stick it on, but let me give it a go. Yes, I could stick it on it. I could stick it on, but let's see if they can do stuff. Is it not moving? Why is it not moving? I'm trying to make you laugh, but is some people see my video in Joker? I don't know. 25 people have seen my video actually. No kidding. Really, 25 people have seen my video. Putting that together again. Let me just put it in there again. There we go. Done. Done this.
What is that? What is that?
That's tools, like this tools.
It's a toolbox?
Yes. It's tools box
For
actually.
the truck?
Of the truck, yes. Of the truck, of the thing of the truck.
Do you like trucks?
Not really, because they're all dirty. They're all dirty for trucks. The wheels are dirty, the things are dirty, everything is dirty. Because they're old. They're old and stuff like that.
Not all trucks are old.
Some trucks are old. Some trucks
are really nice.
I need
with
some
a lot
help.
of light.
Can someone help me? I got it. See? I just got it.
You're super
Need some
strong.
help. And then we're going to add it over here. There we go. There we go. Ah, I made it the wrong way. Why did I keep making mistakes? Did I forget something? No. I forgot something. I went the wrong way. And then that part. So then we're going to add, this one is the, I forgot this part. Sorry, I forgot this part. So I made a mistake. I just forgot this part. Alright guys, I just forgot this part. Forgot this part. so weird.
And what did you do when you forgot that part?
I was doing this part. This part was so weird. Because they let me do this part. Let me do the other part. Why could they not let me do that part first? This part first. This part is this one. Now we're just going to put this part on. It was the wrong way. It was this way, this on the bottom. Then where's the other bit? I found one. I got the other bit. Then we're going to say I like trucks actually. I really like trucks. I'm not kidding. Where's the other bit of this? You know? Yeah, you know. It's this over there. We'll have to find that one there. We'll have to find that one right over here. Really long way.
Yeah.
Really long, right? Really long. Really long. Really long. Hey, but why did I change that? Why did I change that? I don't know. Where's the other one? So there must be another one here. Found one. Found one more. That one goes falling off. Falling off, guys. That one goes falling off. This one went falling off.
You have to press out.
Huh?
Press a little bit more.
I'm pressing a bit more. Okay, it's not. Oh, I already made this one, so that's right. What did I put? Oh, there. Got it. I got it. Look at it now. So good. So good. Then there must be. So I found one of this. That one goes there. So it goes somewhere, but we'll have to stick it on this one. So I got both of those parts. This one too. Put on the red bit. Look at it now. So cool, right? And then we're going to add one of this on the front. See? See how it is? Good, I was just pushing it in. Pushing. So, now we're going to have this one to add. And we're going to put this one over here. See? See how it is now? And I'm going to add the black bit over here to make it a bit funnier. To get it.
Oh no!
Oh no! Destroyed! Oh no! Ah! So weird. So funny actually. So funny then so weird. So funny and so weird. I don't know why. So weird. I'll say it's so weird now.
What is
So
weird?
weird 5 versus 9.
What is weird?
That's joking.
What is weird then?
Like a birdie.
A bird.
Nah, just kidding. I don't know what is
Oh
weird.
no!
I don't know what is even weird. Like a scarecrow or something. I don't know what is weird. People screaming actually. People screaming saying ah! People saying sometimes that there's a birdie, there's something, there's a cockroach. So weird.
Like mama. It's weird.
Like grasshopper or something like that.
You're screaming for the grasshopper.
No, you are screaming for the grasshopper, Mom. My mom is screaming for grasshopper. She's saying, ah!
You're screaming as well.
No, I'm not. You're just kidding. So weird.
What is weird?
Like you're screaming every day. You're screaming for the grasshoppers. Because you don't like grasshoppers and you let me see them, Mama. And my dad puts them on my mom. So funny. So funny, right? Right, guys? Yeah, it's so funny.
Next time I will put the grasshopper in your bed.
Nah, it's not gonna happen.
Are you sure?
Yes. Not going to happen. Not going to happen. Not going to happen. Not going to happen.
That's it.
Not going to happen. Then we're going to add this one. And let's add these ones on. This one on. Let's add on this. Found one of those. See, they're not together all by themselves. It's not really all together. See? It's not all together. Because see, it's like on the side. It's not really good because now, because look, because they're not sticking together. They're not like a square. They're like
So you need a
something.
help?
Nah, I don't need help.
Okay, good.
I'm still good at this. I have 100 of Legos. I think, I don't know. I made one yesterday. Do you want to see it after, at the end of the video? I want to see it. I know, because I made it. So, do you want to see it, how I made it? I think some people want to see when I make some videos.
Yeah.
Huh?
Now, look there.
And we're going to add one of, was it? I found one of this. Want to add one more, and then this one again. So then we're going to add it all the way to the end like this. See how I made it? How I made it really good in the middle. Look at it. So funny. Now it's almost, because look, it's so funny now. So funny, so funny, so funny. What does that even mean, so funny? Oh yeah. Make it silly happen. Da da do dee da dee da. So,
Oh no.
you don't know. Then we're going to add one of these. Really, one of these. That's what we're going to add up the top. It's right here. Stick it on really hard. Now we're going to add,
That is really good.
actually really good, I don't know.
Yeah.
So I found
And
one
easy
of
to
these,
weigh.
and then one of these we found. We're going to add one of these. Got it? One of these. Then we're going to put them up here. Got it? Got it how it's good now? It's there, it's there. Oh, there's that one. I forgot where it was. And then we're going to have one of these. Yes,
What is
two
that?
of them. I don't know, it's just for sticking on stuff. Stuff like that. One of these. And one steering wheel. Put the steering wheel right over here. Oh no, he's going to fall off. Ah! The person isn't going to fall off. Now I'm just kidding. Because it looks like they're falling off because they don't have the lid on. So silly. So weird when they don't even have the thing on. Why do they have these for? I don't know why they have these. I think for the jet. Looks like it. Nah, I'm just kidding. The jet sits at the back of the thing. After we're making the front, after the coffee, I'm having a coffee. Bleh. I don't want to eat a coffee like her. So weird.
You want to drink a real coffee?
I drink some coffees. I don't know why I don't drink anymore.
You don't drink any more coffee?
I want to drink them, but no one lets me. Anyway. Oh, it's bending on the side. Woo! Then we're going to add one of this. And then let's see. So then we're going to have one of these. And add one of these. I'm going to add one more of them. Okay, good? One more of them. Where's them? What is that? I'm losing them. Found one. I'm just kidding. I didn't lose them. Then we're going to add one of this to this, and then we're going to add in the same bit this to make the lights. These are the lights to make them shine a bit. So now they can make this shine because then the truck doesn't see anything. So the truck does see it. If it does have no lights, it doesn't let anyone see it. So weird because now there's some cars that, some electric cars that now look so it's so big now because now I'm adding all the pieces.
The first part is almost finished.
Yeah, the first part was almost finished because now it's only up to tail.
Yeah.
Now it's so quick because this one is only up to 3. This helicopter place was, this what fire engine one was all the way up to 9. All the way up to 9.
Okay.
That's how it is. And then we're going to add one of this. And I'm going to put it there, right there. I'm going to squash it, yeah! Going to squash it.
Yeah, squash.
And then we're going to add some white bits. It's fine. It's the white bits. Some people don't have really this much like I just dropped it. I don't even need it. Where's that? Where's that? Where's that? I need one of these.
You
Can
have
you
to say
guess
thank you.
Huh?
Because you have so much Lego.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Really,
Thank you to
thank
your
you for
nanny.
everyone. Thank you for everyone.
Thank you to Santa. Santa, Nanny.
Thank you for Nonly. Thank you for everything. Thank you
Everyone.
for everyone to give me my Lego. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah. Where's the other bit? Can you guess where the other bit is? I don't know where the other bit is. I don't know.
What are
Where
you looking for?
the bit that goes on the white part. But see, needs one more of them.
Which one?
These,
The white one?
yeah. Don't even know where they are.
Can you
Can you-
try to move the instruction? The instruction? Oh, that's
Oh.
it.
Oopsie daisy, I forgot. Something was under the church. Got it? Look at it now. Now we're gonna have one red bit over here. Ooh, this looks fine. Look at it now. I made it the wrong bit. And I'm gonna add it.
I think
oh,
it has to go in the middle.
yeah, put it in the middle.
Come on.
Got it. Look through it. Looks almost like everything. It almost looks like a bright light I showed you like last week. Down. Look,
Good.
look, another
It's
one.
looking good.
Yeah,
right?
it's actually looking good, right? Everyone says it's good. Oh my Lego. Show my Lego. Now I'm gonna look.
Wow.
It's really good now. Right? Everything's so good. Now we're gonna add some stickers. I got the sticker chart. We're going to add number 1. Ooh, number 1 is so long. Sticker. Number 1 is a long sticker.
Where you have to put it?
Here.
Oh.
I'm not good at stickers, so that's stage good. Because I don't know how to put
Okay. Yeah. Put them.
down. This way. Then we're gonna do it this way. There.
Here you go.
Got it. Got it. Still on the other end. And we can.
Oh, good job.
No, not really good job. Done.
Done.
Still on the bend and doesn't matter. Let's let Mom do it. So then we can just show it. After, because now, look at it now. This is how you made it. Look how I made it. Then we're gonna add these to the stuff. After I'll show you how it is the end. Look. Ooh, so cool, right? It's orange stuff. Orange stuff, orange stuff. Who wants some orange stuff? Cool. Then we're going to add it all the way over here. Let me just stick it up for a while. 1 second, I'll stick it up. Okay, 1 second. Just 1 second, everybody. 1 second. Why was it falling out? Why was it falling off? No. It's falling off every time. I got this thing, and then I'm going to show it how it is now. Look how it is now. Look. Ooh. Yeah, everyone says that one.
Now we have the glass.
Yep, the glass I already showed it. Oh, now it looks so cool. It looks like a normal truck. Looks like a normal truck, right? Normal truck. Who wants a normal truck? I'm almost finished, everybody. I'm almost finished. And then we're going to add 3 of these. Alright? Yes, alright. I got it. Look. That's all done. Then we're going to add 4 of these after. I'm going to add 4 of them. Like these, the lights. I'm going to add 4 of them. Oh, come on. We're going to add 4 of these now. After anyway. Got it. Look at it. Ooh! So cool. Then we're going to add this. Look. Now it's going to make us some light at night somehow. Some places go at night, but we don't know. We don't know how many people at night. Yep. Can you help now? Then I'll show you how it is. And we're just going to put it on. And we're going to go it all the way at the end. And we're going to put the wheels on. Look how it is now. Look. Ooh, so cool, right? Everyone says it. Some people say it's cool, actually. That's what I said earlier. That's what I said right now. Okay, good. Then we're going to add the things. Oh, I didn't make mistakes. Or did I lose that? I didn't only do that. Okay. I'll do this part now. Now we have some things to put on. Now we have the lights at the front. Got it? See? See how it is now. I'll show you how it is now. After. I'm going to put it on. Then I'm going to add on the lights. That way. Got it? One on. Oh, broke it. I did it. Like that, see? And we're going to add one more. Do you want to see it after? You can see it after. Whoop, 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 whoop. Done. I need the last wheels actually. I need the more wheels. That was not quick. You just push them. Just push them. For me, it's just pushing. Just have to push. We can push. Everyone can push. Some people can't push, or they need me or something. I know how to push because I go do gymnastics. Why? Because they want to. Huh? I'm just gonna put the wheel on so I can show you. And bye everybody. Look at it now. Bye everybody. See ya. Huh? Next time. Bye.